Presented Honorable Chief Guest Muhammad Saidul Islam, Ramkhana Union Parishad, Nageswari Kurigram, and presented Honorable Chairperson Abdul Haque Muhammad Saidul Islam, respectable and honest guest, and renowned of the institution, Head Teacher Muhammad Saidul Islam, Assistant Head Teacher Muhammad Saidul Islam, and my colleague and invited special guest. All are presented. Please take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And to the other nation, take my cordial thanks. Dear guys, we have presented here to celebrate the retired ceremony. The retired ceremony, Mr. Muhammad Abdul Haque Sharkar is one of the most brilliant and talented teacher in East Ramkhana Multi-Level High School. I think very few teachers in the district are as like as Abdul Haque Sharkar. Abdul Haque Sharkar has inspired us how to teach the student. I am very, very proud of him because I have chance to say something such type of retired ceremony. Dear retired guys and other guys, please do not forget to accept my thanks. One of another respectable and honorable staff, Mr. Muhammad Saidul Islam, his contribution is always acceptable. We never can forget his contribution. Dear guys, the government rule and regulation has fixed for our age limitation. For this reason and for the purpose, we have to leave our position from our institution. So we are shocked to hear such a way we have to live out for all staff. I expect and hope our retired staff and teachers, thanks everybody, thanks all, Allah Hafiz.